Hi, Accordioncafe, and we've got a Henry which is in for repair, and we'll just plug him in. Well, it's a Hetty actually. Seems to be dead. So first thing we'll do is check the fuse. Very noisy on near this main road. Sorry about that. Nothing much I can do about it. Haven't got double glazing. Well, we've got a good fuse there. The next thing really to check is the lead. But very often the leads, if they're going to break, they'll break where it's always pulling on the plug. And you can plug these in, and when you plug them in, switch on, it's dead. Move the lead backwards and forwards and up and down, and you may find it'll come on. However, we'll carry on. There's 4 screws that we have to take out now from the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they've already been loosened. So I want to get to the switch so I can check the mains lead and the switch. There's the plug. Always make sure the plug's out. That lifts off. And what we want to check now is that we're getting power through the lead to the ring gear, which is there underneath. You can see those 2 connections. Each one's got a double side in it, so that you get a connection at all times. And when you turn in this, that spins on the ring gear there and connects you to the switch and to the motor. So we just want to check the mains lead going through to the connections underneath. So we'll just do a quick check on that from the positive side here. I can hold the probe on. I've got crocodile clips somewhere, but never mind. So that's basically connected, and so is that one, and it's not sorted out. Okay, so we'll take it that that's okay. I mean, if you've got crocodile clips, what you can do is clip the crocodile clips on each end and shake the lead thoroughly all the way through and see if there's an intermittent break on it. So on the Henry here, you can get to the switches by just pulling that up and then lifting it off like that. Then this comes off this side. Try to do it without breaking it. Sometimes they go brittle. Right, so here's our on and off switch. I'll put it in leave it in the off position for a second. Then we should get open circuit there, that's good. And it should be open on the other side as well, which it will be. Okay, so now we'll put it in the on position. Check this is the positive through here. That's okay. Negative side in there. Well, that's not okay. So what we've got here is a very simple fault on this one. It's just an open circuit switch. And just by chance, this is just by chance for me, because I don't carry a lot of spare parts. What we have in here, in my little box, is in fact, I've just got these in stock here. I've got 2 switches in this packet, and these switches are not cheap. You can get them a lot cheaper actually. These switches are, I think, about 10 quid a piece. But if you look online with Amazon, you'll find that you can get these switches for £1.50 each, and they also light up as well. The 150 ones do, but these are the better quality ones. I'm not going to give you any rubbish. These are the better quality switches, although you can get them for, as I say, 150 each. So we'll replace this switch here. This switch is faulty. Let's scratch an X on the top of that, so we know which one's which when we take it out. And these spade connectors here, you've got these switches work. They go across that way. You know, that's the way they switch, is across, not that way. Okay. So you've got your two positive brown ones at the front. There are 3 leads, one of them is riding piggyback on the other. Okay, so I'll put that back on there, just so we don't muck anything up. Unfortunately, you have to disconnect these leads before you take the switch out, because there's not enough room lead to get the, and there's blue at the back, negative in and out. To pull the switch up, there's not enough lead, so you've got to pull them off first. It's a different, and then use your pointy nose pliers when you come to reconnect it, because once again you have to put the switch in situ before you. Now there's a clip at the side, you have to squeeze it in, and squeeze it in one side first, give it a push up, and out it comes. Right, there's the naughty boy, he can go there. And right, it's a miserable old day today, isn't it? But what can you do? Just carry on. Now these switches, it's just simply negative in and out. You might be able to get the back ones on like this with a bit of luck, so you're not too fiddly. But you have to get it over these lugs here, otherwise you won't. If your lead's too long, you can't get it through. And then you've got to take it off again. So I think I've got enough lead to do that, which is good. So we'll just reconnect these. As I say before, it's stupid me. Look, see, talking too much. Nearly blew the thing up then. This is live, folks. So we all make mistakes. That would have been funny, wouldn't it? Switch it on and blow the bloody switch up. Right, there we are. Now then, see what I mean? You can't, there's not enough to lift it off, and I don't want to stress the lead out. There might just be enough. Yes, there is. That's good. Right, just check them are on fully. That's good. Okay, now we can put our positive across ones on, and our piggyback one across here like so. And push that back in place. It's a bit tight, that is. Why is that tight? I've never had a switch better tight like that it won't go down. Unless, just a moment, I think it wants to go on the other way around.